Good morning, students. All of you know that food, clothes, and shelter are basic needs of a human. We wear clothes of different fabric according to weather and occasion. Fabric can be obtained from fiber, which may be artificial or natural. Artificial fiber is man-made. Example are nylon, polyester, rayon, etc. Natural fiber can be obtained from nature, either from plant, example cotton, or from animal. Examples are wool and silk. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of chapter is Fiber to Fabric. In this chapter we will discuss about animal fiber, wool and silk. Wool is obtained from fleece of sheep or yak, and silk fiber come from cocoon of silk moth. Clear to all of you? Today we will discuss about the wool. Wool is obtained from sheep, goat, yak, and some other animals. In order to obtain wool, these animals are reared, their hair are cut and processed into wool. By rearing of sheep or any other animal, we mean to look after it by providing them food, shelter, and health care. The person who look after sheep are called shepherds. These animals have a thick coat of hair. Hair trap a lot of air. Air is poor conductor of heat. So, hair keep these animals warm, and wool is derived from these hairy fiber. Sheep has two type of fiber, coarse beard hair and fine soft under hair close to skin. The fine hair provide fiber for making wool. Some breeds of sheep possess only fine under hair. Their parents are specially chosen to give birth to sheep which have only soft under hair. The process of selecting parents for obtaining special characteristics in their offspring, such as soft under hair in sheep, is termed as selective breeding. Clear to all of you? Animal that yield wool. Several breeds of sheep are found in different parts of our country. Example is given in the table 3.1. See, this is examples. Name of breed is Loi, Rampur Bushehr, Nali, Bakharwal, Marwadi, Patanwadi. These are main 5 breeds of sheep in India. Loi provide good quality of wool, and this variety of breed found in Rajasthan and Punjab. Rampur Bushehr breed has brown fleece and it found in Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Third is Nali that provide carpet wool, and it is found in state Haryana, Rajasthan and Punjab. Bakharwal for woolen shawl, and it can be found in Jammu and Kashmir. Marwadi and Patanwadi. Marwadi provide coarse wool and Patanwadi provide hosiery wool, and these variety of breed of sheep found in Gujarat. Clear to all of you? Now you are able to know what is rearing and breeding of sheep. Now next we will discuss about processing fiber into wool. There are 6 steps to find fiber into wool. One is shearing, second is scoring, third is sorting, 4 is removing burr, and 5th is dyeing, and 6 is making yarn. So first one is shearing. What is shearing? Fleece of sheep along with thin layer of skin is removed from its body is called shearing. Machine similar to those used by barbers are used to shave off hairs. Clear to all of you? Now, next step of processing is scoring. What is scoring? The sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tank to remove grease, dust and dirt is known as scoring. Third one is sorting. After the scoring, sorting is done. The hair skin is sent to factory where hair of different textures are separated or sorted. Fourth one is removing burr. The small fluffy fiber called burr are picked out from here. These are same burr which sometime appears on your sweaters. The fiber are scalded again and dried. Fifth step is dyeing or coloring. In this step, fiber can be dyed into various color as natural fleece of sheep and goat is black, brown or white. Clear to all of you? Last step is fiber are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. The longer fiber are made into wool for sweater, shorter fibers and spun and woven into woolen clothes. Clear to all of you? There are some occupational hazards for the persons which are salters in factory of wool. What is occupational hazards? In some industries, the worker have to face risk of getting disease and sometime death. These are called occupational hazards. The Salter's disease is an occupational hazard associated with production of wool. The people who sort wool can get infected by bacterium anthrax, which cause a fatal blood disease called a Salter's disease. Such risk faced by worker in industry of wool. Clear to all of you? So I hope you are able to understand how we can obtain natural fiber wool from the animals. In next topic, we will discuss about the fiber silk which is obtained from silk moth. Thank you.